Alright, class, and that is why babies cannot drive. Does anyone have any questions? Nah. Alright, moving on. Today we're gonna... Damn. Nah, Jit got COVID. Y'all give me like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. About time that man left. Nah. Hey, y'all, I'ma freestyle real quick. Nah, Jit think he a rapper. Look, my name is Jamal. Jamal. No jersey, but I ball. I ball. I won't ever fall. Fall. Ring, ring, hold up, your girl just called. Nah, Jit, snap. Alright, guys, I'm back. Jamal, what are you doing? Nah, Jit in trouble. Oh, I was just... That boy was spitting bars. Nah. So this what you do when I leave the class? Nah, I was just... Get out. But I was... Now. Nah, the teacher hates you.